Hi everybody, welcome to Jimmy D's RC page where it's all about getting the rubber in the air. Today we were out at the Flying Field, the local club, and it was myself and just one other member today. We're due to have some weather and it's now hit. And I went up and did a couple of flights, and then I asked him if he wouldn't mind if I recorded his flight, and he said it was fine. So, well, why don't you watch for yourself and see what happened.
Oh no.
And crash. What a worry. Well, afterwards we went looking for the airplane, and we were out in the bush for about an hour and could not find it. Unfortunately, he didn't have a lost plane beeper on there, so there was no way we could hear the thing, and he left his radio down at the clubhouse, so we couldn't listen for servos or anything like that either. But yeah, an hour of fruitless searching. Even though I had on video where we thought it went down, we could not find it. It's very thick brush out in the area. So an unfortunate loss, and that's a lot of gear to write off. So I think what the strategy is moving forward is to grab a drone and see if we can get some aerial footage of the area and hopefully spot it from the air. That'll be a lot easier than being at ground level looking through thickets of trees. So there it is. There's that. Thanks to all the viewers. Thanks to the subscribers. If you liked what you saw today, by all means, click the subscribe button. Hit the bell for notifications, like the video, and please share it around. I'm always looking to grow my page. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you next time. See you later.